Hello guys, my name is Pravyad and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you one website where we can create a high quality backlink. So you guys will see the website name is dreamwith.org. So main thing, this is a org website, and another thing, this website having a good authority and the high traffic source and the 0% spam score. So this is a website dashboard, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 78, and according to most, the domain authority is 83, and the spam score is 0%. And according to SimilarWeb, you guys have to see the monthly website. This website having monthly visits, 3.2 million total visitors, and the mostly traffic from USA, Russia, UK, Germany, and Canada. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you want to increase a crawlability and the traffic from that kind of countries, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So this is a website dashboard, and before I started, I wanted to request you with one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, okay? And you guys will see. And another thing, if you guys are accessing this website from India or if another countries, and if you guys are able to not, so you guys have to use VPN, because right now I'm also not able to create a profile on that website, so that's why I have activated my VPN. So after that, you guys have to see there is a create free account button. You guys have to click over there, and after that you guys can choose your username, your email ID. Then after that you guys can choose your passwords. Then after that you guys have to add your date of birth. And if you want to receive an email from this website, then you guys have to check this box, and after that you guys have to acknowledge the terms and condition. It's a mandatory. And there is a verification option, so anti-spam. So if the clip is yellow, what color is it? If the clip, if the chips is yellow, what color? Yellow. Okay, so our profile is created, and after that you guys have to choose your gender, and you guys have to choose your country, and after that you guys can choose your addresses, fill your details, and after that you guys have to add your company description. So I'm just copying the description from my website, and for your case you guys have to generate a fresh description. And after that you guys have to click for the save and continue, and you guys have to go with no thanks, I'm not interested it at this time. This is can asking you for the upgrade your account. And after that you guys have to go with finish edit your profile, and there is a multiple option you guys have to choose. In the link URL section you guys have to add your website URL, and the link name, there you guys have to choose your main targeted keyword. So my main targeted keyword is employment agencies Canada. And after that you guys have to, if you want to add your profile email, so you guys can do. And after that you guys have to choose your passwords. Sorry, if you want to add your interest, you guys have to also add your interest or your services. Then after that you guys have to click for the save changes, and you guys will see your profile has been updated. There is a view profile button, you guys have to click over there. After that you guys are able to access your profile dashboard, and there is if you want to check in incognito, so now we can. And I can show you this is our website URL. You guys have to see with a contextual backlink employment agency in Canada. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. The main thing, it's a no follow backlink. The thing is, this is a org website where we are creating backlink, and also this website can providing you another features, so you guys have to explore your all the things. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section where you guys can found me easily. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because your only these things can help me motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand, and you guys have to do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye, take care.